Yeah.
Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J, Professor Oman Kamal. We're streaming live from Long Island, New York, and we're going to take you to Wall Street today. Were any of you guys on or near Wall Street today?
Say it again.
Were any of you guys physically there today?
Physically? No, we are close.
Well, not there.
You think a lot of people are there now physically? Almost barely anyone there, right?
Probably hardly anyone.
I
I think Goldman Sachs, aren't they on the same block as the exchange?
No, Goldman Sachs is in Jersey City, across the river.
And they have also like 40 something street, not actually downtown.
No, they're downtown Goldman.
Really? I don't remember.
The IT headquarters is Jersey. Kamal.
Maybe.
Kamal.
Yes, I used to work next to them when I worked for Lehman Brothers.
Yeah.
Sachs was the next building over.
I used to work on Broad Street as well. I worked for.
No, I'm talking Jersey City.
Jersey City. Okay.
You worked on Wall Street, Omar.
Broad Street. Yeah, there was a startup there. Startup company.
I had a spot on the sidewalk there with my name on
it. Tin Cup. Started singing Frank Sinatra songs.
In the days when I was doing not so well as a trader, I had a spot on the sidewalk. So, Spike, do you have a winning day today?
To be perfectly honest, I didn't even check.
That's good. It means you didn't lose and you didn't win.
Exactly. It's right now. It's Schrodinger's.
Cat.
What were the big winners today? The Dow moved up.
SPX moved up quite a bit as well, and small caps. Small caps are on fire.
I bought more IWM last week.
Yeah.
I didn't check it.
RWM?
It's up to 2%. Up 2%.
Oh, it was up 2%.
Yeah, it's on fire. I mean, that's the thing that tells you that big leg is ahead. You know, when the small cap is finding life.
The small cap was the biggest gainer today, right?
Yeah, today and yesterday or 2 days. Yeah, I mean, like for 3 days in a row.
How about the equal weighted S&P?
3 days in a row. 3 days in a row more than
equal weighted S&P. I like to look.
Same as well.
RSP. I like to look at.
Yeah, it's on fire as well. RSP. It's 1.5% up.
Wow.
Yeah, the XBI as well.
Yeah, XBI is a subset of IWM.
Yeah, XBI is it's almost like parabolic is going parabolic.
Isn't IBB? IBB is almost like at a 10-year high.
It's the same.
Yeah.
IBB and XBI.
IBB is a little different than XBI. I think they have more big pharma.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. I know they're just both healthcare anyway. So
they're a little different.
Yeah, the big notable is, for me, the big notable is Eli Lilly.
Yeah.
It's above 1,100 for the first time.
So I heard news. What was it? Novo's Ozempic failed for Alzheimer's or something? Did I hear that? I thought I heard that.
Yeah, I didn't hear good news for Novo, right?
Yeah, there was a trial that was failed for Alzheimer's. One of those companies, and it got crashed.
Yeah,
I didn't even know Novo had an Alzheimer's. I know Novis and Anavex are both up on the news.
They thought their diet drug would work for Alzheimer's for whatever.
Interesting. Well, plaque is plaque, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, Anavex and Anovis are both up very high today as a result. They're still like anemic from where they were.
Oh, because the GLP-1 failed?
No, I guess because, because they have, true alternatives to get plaque out of your brain that is still promising.
And Novus has more for the Alzheimer's now than Parkinson's. I think
it's only 482. I mean, as much as it's up on the day.
with statistics. They're trying to prove that their trial results showed that their drug worked for cognitive decline.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I forget exactly what they were saying, Steve.
I wish Codex would do that, or CVM would do that.
I'm trying to make a joke, but I forgot.
I know. I get you that. I know what you're getting at. Right.
Yeah.
That,
All right, let's take a look at some of those.
just because something's not false doesn't make it true.
Professor Omar called the bottom very likely the other day on the show, and sure enough, on Monday we got the big pop. So yeah, and now you're saying you think we might have one more.
Now you go the other way.
One more.
Yeah, I think
might be excluded from indices. I know they were turned down by the S&P 500. I thought that they were passed over for the S&P 500. I know that.
It's going to be removed from S&P 500?
They were never put in.
MicroStrategy, okay.
They were turned down last time and this quarter too.
Okay. Rightly so.
I'm still in.
I don't know what other index they're in. NASDAQ?
Well, I don't know.
Are they part of the NDX?
I have no idea. I have to Google it.
I would think so, right? They must be. And if
why would they exclude it? I mean,
because it's not a stock.
Sort of, in a way, it's a derivative, right?
Yeah, that's the reason, actually.
So it's pretty funny how my 3 best stocks were done because of somebody else's bad news.
Maybe I should move my MSTR money into IBIT and forget about it.
It's in the Nasdaq 100.
Really?
Yeah. Strategy is a component of the following index, Nasdaq 100.
So if they're thrown out, that's not good.
Definitely.
Major outflows. I mean, how much would I lose if I'm wrong by switching from MicroStrategy to IBIT? I don't think
in terms of future growth, it'd probably be in the same spot.
IBIT won't go down if MicroStrategy does. Might go up. You don't know. I mean, theoretically, there's going to be maybe forced selling, so the price of Bitcoin should go down, but you never know.
Why don't you go from MicroStrategies to Microsoft?
My average on MicroStrategy, I think it must be in the ones. I sold a lot at 202. So if I count what I sold at 202, which I guess I have to do, I also bought some at 350. So it's somewhere in the ones.
In the hundreds, you mean?
The hundreds.
Yeah, 100s, right.
Up hundreds?
Probably middle.
I know I'm in the upper hundreds, if not in the 2s. But
so I mean, you are not in deep in the water then. That's
no, but I mean, a lot of it I took as profits. I don't know if you can count that. Do you count that?
Hey, you're out. Yeah, no, if you're out, you're out. It's not. It's
part of my original bet, right?
No, once you are out, you are out.
Okay, right. Then my average is like 330.
So yeah,
if that's the case,
but
counting not if you count the money I already made on it this year.
That's history.
All right,
that's negative for me anyway.
It shows on my Schwab account. I made it's still there. So I don't know.
And you still have to pay taxes on it in December.
Yeah, I still pay taxes.
One of those gains.
even though you're holding a loss, you still pay taxes on the gain. I don't know. Let's take a look at some of the charts.
So how many of you guys are actually paying taxes this year?
I'm paying.
I'm paying a little bit.
I'm jealous.
So far. So far.
So far.
If I don't, I mean, I have always this shtick of screwing up the last minute. So don't worry about that.
I'm still working on my carryover from 2022.
My biggest gains are in the Max 7. I didn't do hardly any selling. So I said, I'm not going to be in big for the tax span, a little bit. The gains that I took on crypto earlier.
Okay.
Right.
All right, who wants to chart? No, don't all volunteer at the same time.
If I don't all call up at once. All right, I just got here, so it'd take me a couple of seconds to get set up. If you guys really don't want to do it.
It's work.
Yeah, right. Exactly. We're here for pleasure. We're not here to work.
Yeah.
All right. Let me see. I'm almost ready.
Go ahead.
I mean, I really don't know how you figured the average price. I go by the year. If it's by the year, I'm still making money. After all, if you look at your year-to-date totals, it's in there, right?
Yep.
Or your totals in general.
If you talk about the year, yeah.
All right. I think my Bitcoin is finally showing up here. A little bit slow, but slow is better than no. All right. Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. So this is the last 6 months of BTC. And I guess this trend line means all of nothing, so I'll get rid of it. So what do we see here?
Just something going down.
Exactly.
I think BTC at this point, the only chart that's really makes sense is the weekly.
Is the what?
Is the weekly. The daily, there is nothing you can see there. I mean, it's just probably oversold, except oversold condition. That's
all right. So if I go weekly here, that's weekly.
Yeah, that's the only, and you got that pivot there.
My old line is still in there. The one that Dr. J had me put in for a while ago.
That's 76, right?
Yep.
Yeah. That if 76 is taken out, then it's really dangerous. Really, really, really. I mean, it's already. It's really not good. So.
Yes.
So where it stopped right now? If you do, I don't know
80.
how many.
80.
Yeah, there is some kind of support there.
Yeah, I think it's gonna get to 77. I think it's gonna get to 77.
Yeah, that's where this line is.
Yeah.
Yeah, about here.
Yeah, about there. I think it's gonna get right there, just to scare the heck out of most people. Usually, always what Bitcoin does, you're gonna have a little pullback, and then you're gonna go down and then reverse.
So Tom Lee thinks we're gonna be like 200 or 200 something.
By when?
Yeah.
He moved it into January.
In my lifetime.
He said January. You're gonna get
January is pretty soon. That's looking at this chart, it looks
all along he's been saying by end of year. Now he's saying January.
I mean, end of January. It's not impossible.
It's not.
It's not impossible. I think
these recoveries haven't been taking too long. These, they go from here to here is about what, a month?
Yeah, but once it starts to run, look how they run. It's just unbelievably fast. See what? It's like
So if you go from
eight.
here, so
You
you go
see
from
there?
here to here, it'd be a month. Yeah,
Two,
okay,
well,
okay,
around
that
two
makes sense.
months, 2 3 months, 2 3 months.
If
Okay,
MicroStrategy gets thrown out of the indices, so will BMNR.
so will BMNR really?
Well, it's the same kind of company.
Yeah, I
Because it's
guess
the same
sort of a
type
more
of companies.
a derivative play.
The only difference is that they have staking on the Ethereum, on the Ether.
Right.
They can earn 4%. They're not doing it yet, but they could. I don't know why they just don't. Don't know. Take the 4%, you know.
Let's just take a theory, a look at
ETH,
Ethereum just for a comparison purposes.
ETH is definitely better chart. It's in my opinion, of course, definitely.
Tom Lee says
It's hard to find that same dead spot. 2,500 right here, right
Tom
there.
Lee,
Yeah.
Tom Lee
That would
thinks
I
that this will flip the price of Bitcoin.
I think has probably bottomed, in my opinion. Yesterday, the action yesterday was really very positive,
If
very
he's
positive.
if he's bottom, there's a good chance that Bitcoin did too.
Right, they're pretty.
Not
Look at these.
really.
Looking at these charts, they are somewhat correlated.
They're very correlated.
So, again, it looks like 2,500 would be the place for me to
Yeah,
get back in again or pick up more again, because I've been buying on the way down from around here. I've been buying
yeah.
on the way down.
I think it's safer now to buy ETHE and
Definitely.
the IBIT. Safer than fooling around with Tom Lee or Michael Saylor.
Yeah, you see, Steve, the all that range. If you see, it's a little bit like a range, right? It's what? It's between 260, 2,600, and all the way down to yes, there. Little
2,600
yes,
here.
from there.
Here.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, there. All the
Yeah, I
way.
see from that
You see the
all the
thing?
way
It's
down to
like a
here.
square. No, actually, just to the yes, there.
Right there.
From
Okay,
yeah,
21. I
that's a
see. I
little
see what you're
bit
saying.
the. You see the thing? If you go even a long time back, it was a resistance there.
Right over
That
here.
line, yes, exactly. It was a resistance, and then support, and so on. It's
Yeah, I see it.
yeah, like when you have a trend line like that, it acts the resistance, then support, then resistance. Then you know it's a really benchmark. It's,
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Why would anyone buy MicroStrategy or BMNR when you can just buy the ETF?
Yeah, it's a good question.
because they move faster. That's what you said a long time
It
ago.
was sort of like why we bought Wolf before,
Yeah,
because there
because
was
they
also
move
The little bit of leverage that you get.
Yeah, the only problem is that it moves faster in both ways. Now that we went too much down, you would expect it to move faster on the way up.
I think I read the leverage on MSTR is about 18%.
18, that's all.
That's not too,
Yeah. So it's 5 times.
yeah. But
That's what it means.
it's not that you can buy if you really want leverage, but you can buy the option on the call option
that's a good point. Yeah, right. You could always go into the options market.
Yeah, but the options decay and the timing and all that stuff.
So did
So
it.
I
So
think
did the 5 times.
always all the 5 the 3 times actually they use options.
Right.
The those ETFs, the backbone of those ETFs are options. That's why they decay. Plus the fees, of course, and so on.
Right.
Yeah.
The ETFs usually keep par value with the underlying asset.
Yes, the single one.
Yeah, the single.
Yeah, the
I'm
single,
gonna
of course.
switch gears to Microsoft just to see if there's any kind of hope to be had here.
I just play the MAGS and forget about it.
Is Microsoft included in those?
Yeah, it's one of
I
the
know
stocks.
some of the ETFs don't have Microsoft in them.
No, MAGS contains the Tesla, Microsoft, the Nvidia, uh, Zuckerberg's company, Facebook,
Yeah, Meta.
Apple, and Meta. I said Meta.
Yeah, this one. It says
Uh,
Zuckerberg.
what's the other one? There's one more.
Netflix,
Netflix.
Google.
No, not Netflix.
Google.
Google,
Netflix would be the eighth. I
Google.
forget.
There.
I forget the Google, the alphabet. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's definitely a good way to invest. I think. Of course, now everyone's saying rotate out of those and go
I don't
the
know.
small.
If this goes to 450, I'm going to be backing up the truck.
Yeah,
I mean, let's go with the weekly just to get
I
more.
wouldn't
Yeah.
go extra heavy on any one of those seven. I'd play them evenly.
I agree with Jay. I agree with Dr. J. I think when you look at the small caps, the rotation that's happening there, it just tells you probably these are going to lag a little bit compared to those. So
I've been hearing about this rotation for a long time.
All right. So then if we look at
that's
the
true.
IWM, which is the Russell. And if we do the IWM,
Let's see.
so we're saying that the Russell 2000. You
Yeah,
think so? Professor Omar, you're thinking the Russell 2000 is even stronger, despite all the interest rate worries. So this is the weekly. Right here.
I understand that. I mean, the chart is definitely
Well, we had this trend line going for a long
yeah,
while,
yeah.
but it sort of broke off
See,
that trend line here.
it's a straight line. Right. That line actually it outperformed the S&P, I guess. No,
Yeah, well, it
I don't
certainly
know how
did.
much. Yeah, and that's a weekly chart, right? Yeah.
Yes.
I have a big position in IWM, so I'm covered either way.
We will see. I don't know what did it do today. Whether it broke the important resistance or not. I didn't look at it. See, Russell, almost there. No, yeah, we get close to that and we stopped 2478. Um, you see, if we go above 2478, then this probably the bottom is in. Uh, a high chance the bottom is in. We didn't. I will see tomorrow or Friday if it's gonna do that or not.
If
Gotcha.
the Fed does what it's supposed to do and cut, that'll be good.
Very likely the Fed is gonna cut. So
Yeah, it looks like it. I
it,
mean, the ginned up data definitely looks like it's setting up for. Oh, it's safe. It's safe to jobs are anemic, so it's safe to.
the narrative they can change. They can make you believe anything they want.
Right.
So
Right.
I'm
So
going
this,
to cash in some of my winnings this year and buy a McLaren. What do you think?
which one?
McLaren, this
Which,
British sports car.
oh, you're gonna buy. Okay.
You're gonna buy a McLaren, Dr. J?
Why not? Take it on the track.
Yeah, buy one.
I could get a bargain for $250,000. I could pick up one.
Probably more than that.
No, I could get
A
one
used
for
one. A used one.
used one.
Used one. Yeah, they are beautiful. McLaren probably is the best.
I got the hat, so I'm starting from the top down.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So this is the S&P. This is SPY.
Yeah.
I
You
have
see,
no comment here.
SPY was
Everything's
exact.
rosy.
I mean, it did exactly what I was expecting. It unbelievable. It's just it took the that high of that big red candle,
Right.
and then we're gonna see. I think from here it's going down.
Back to the middle of the red candle.
Yeah.
So I
So
mean, what's it going to do before then? I mean, is it going to hit up here again or no?
no, I don't think so. I mean, if we go above that, you see that pivot there, then it's gonna be um, new all-time highs and just run up. What
Right.
is that? Yeah, but I think we're gonna go near the 200 moving average. I think
Okay,
we're
which
gonna.
is lower than this because I don't include that here. I only have the 20 and the 50.
Yeah, you see
So if I go weekly, then you'll get the other data.
around 625, something around 630, 630,
So then
625.
we have 50 weeks.
Yeah. No, I mean the sell off could go as low as 630 in SPY.
So you cashed in all your winners. I'm assuming
Me, I went short, right? I was expecting it to break that high, and then I both puts. I sold my calls. The thing is this: what really makes me anxious about this move up? I had calls, and they were not gaining as they used to. I mean, the market moved almost like 200 points, right? My calls barely made any not of course they made profit. Let's say for instance they're supposed to make 30 points, they made only 20.
Mm.
That's not the that's not a bull. That's not a rally. That's not what happens when a lot of people want to buy. Usually you're gonna get some premium for your calls. Actually here there was discount, so which means that while the market is going up, a lot of people are selling calls.
Yeah,
So that's what it means.
right.
I didn't like that. It's very frustrating. Yeah. So I don't know. We'll see. But again, if we go, I mean, just to be very very precise, right? What is that SPY? Of course, if we go above 685, then we are out of the woods. Even just filling that gap there around what
Right
is
here.
that
So
683.
this one
Yeah,
here.
683. Hold on, I'm looking at the other chart. Which one?
This is SPY.
Yeah,
No,
but if you go to daily,
oh,
you go to
daily, right? Yeah.
daily, you go to daily, you're gonna see the yes,
Oh,
that gap there up 683.
right here.
Yes, yeah, yeah. If we fill that, we're out of the woods. But I don't think it's gonna happen. I think we're gonna go down from here. Usually a Friday after the Thanksgiving is a positive day, so I would expect tomorrow probably to be a red day. Then Friday go up, then Monday uh, go down for some time.
You just love those W's, don't you?
Yeah, but this one is. If you look, you see the thing. This one is May. I know it's obvious. A lot of people are seeing it. You would say that because a lot of people seen this pattern, it's not going to happen. But this time probably it will happen. You see, you have a head and shoulder there. You see, Steve.
No,
You see the left shoulder.
the left shoulder would be here.
No, the big one, the big
Right,
wave. Yes, that one.
right,
That's the left shoulder.
right.
Then you have the high is the head, and we are making the right shoulder right now.
Oh, you're making the right shoulder now.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
And now, if you do the measured move there, it
It'll
would
go
take
up.
you, I don't know, what is that, 650? The top was 690, so around 40 points down there. So it takes you like 620, something like that down.
Well, probably around in here somewhere. You're right.
Yeah,
Or
somewhere
like
there.
this gap, maybe this gap here.
That's the gap I was shooting for. Exactly that. Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
Why are you playing calls and
that's an old gap.
instead of just buying the futures?
It's because of leverage.
You get more leverage with
And
the option.
also, I know what I'm risking. I just risk,
Yeah, you get much more.
yeah, you get a lot, much more than that, of course. I mean,
Because you're getting a derivative upon the derivative.
you can double, triple, quadruple, easy your money, but there is a high risk of losing everything.
Yeah.
But yeah,
The
I
only,
mean,
the only way you actually win big with the call option is if you get in the money and let it ride. You have a chance to win very big.
if you time it to perfection, yes.
Yeah.
If you put that time in, last time actually I made 5 times something. Yeah, but it was not a big bet. But it was really perfect timing. If you time it right there and it goes right there, down, it's uh, it's a jackpot. But sometimes otherwise you're
Somebody,
gonna lose your
somebody,
money.
somebody I knew from the chess world, a tournament player,
Hmm.
back when IBM was $2 and it collapsed from over 100, a couple of hundred. Louis Gerstner took over as CEO. I think it
Uh,
was in the 80s, Spike,
yeah,
something like that. He bought a bunch of, he bought a lot of call options with a strike of two. And watched it go all the way
wow.
back to 100. And instead of cashing, he rolled them over for the 200s. He made like so much money.
Of course, you multiply it almost by 100,
Yeah, I made it
right? Yeah.
unbelievable.
Well, that's what Ackman did in during COVID too. It's a little bit that kind of stuff. He multiplied $14 million into a billion or so. So that's 100 times more.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's uh,
Good on him. This
it's
is
crazy.
Amazon. I don't know what to think about Amazon. Again, Dr. J is just saying, well, stay with the mags, and you don't have to worry about individuals.
Yeah.
But I'm not really for that because there's a lot of stuff in the mags I just don't like. I mean, much as Meta made a lot of money, I don't like Meta.
Uh,
I
I
really like
like I like anybody that Zuckerberg is
society.
leading the company.
Hmm?
Zuckerberg is not to be underestimated.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, I just maybe it's because of morality. I just don't like what
You
it's
don't
doing.
like his
yeah,
company?
I see.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind. Look, Amazon's a little bit evil also, but it's at least I'm buying stuff. It's
Aren't
consumerism.
all,
It's
aren't
less
all,
I
evil.
don't care about rampant consumerism, but I
It's
do care
less.
about the decay of the social fabric.
It's less evil. Yeah,
Yeah,
and I mean the chart is good too. It's.
this chart, like I said, this chart is just confusing the hell out of me.
I think it's good. I mean, right now it bounced very well. Even if we go down, it's safe. It's still safe. It's not
So,
like because of the filling that big gap.
this here.
Uh,
Right. Well, I
well,
mean, I just don't even like the fact that a gap like that exists. All right, so you don't see it as much when you do it this way. When you do it weekly.
yeah,
See, when you do it weekly, it actually doesn't look as bad.
yeah.
Looks
It's
like it
it's
looks like
like
it's got some good recovery going for
it's
us.
like almost a cup and handle, right? Maybe
Yeah,
it's gonna be a failed one, but uh,
yeah.
I don't see any danger there, frankly. I I
would you
don't really.
rather own Amazon or Walmart? To me, it's a no-brainer. On Amazon.
Well, yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, somebody once said that there's no wrong time to buy it, but I guess up here would have been wrong.
There's no wrong time to buy it. If you
Oh,
really
maybe it's gonna come back there. It's
just
not.
hold it.
Yeah.
So I think I bought like around in here is when I bought the 2 times up. So I'm not even
Uh,
on that.
This is I'm sorry. Those things, the two times, the three times, and also, I will never touch them.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah,
Because you
I will
because
never.
you do it through the derivative market anyway.
You
I
can
just don't
I,
like
I, I,
derivative.
I do that. I do that directly from derivative market, but I do it very short term.
Right,
I
and you're
never go
in and out.
exactly.
Yeah, no, no.
Otherwise,
I took your advice to keep an eye on it and not hold on for too long. But
yeah,
at this point, I had no other choice but to wait. And
that's
maybe
the pro-
maybe my waiting will, if we kept come back up in here a little bit, then I'll
yeah.
bail. Because you're right, I have some Amazon outright that I'm not touching at all.
It's better to have it, yeah, or to just transfer it to the outright one
Mm,
at least.
right, maybe at this
At,
Why don't
point.
we take a look
at
at
least
another?
at least for now, the way the chart is setting up, yes, you're right. I mean, those three candles, they're not. I mean,
Well, this was the perennial nibble sign that Dr. J used to have. Three down like that with a green, it's time to nibble.
uh,
Let's see if
on
it
a
happens.
on a daily, yes, but
Yeah, no,
on a
that's
weekly,
why I'm switching over to see if it tells the same story.
I wouldn't agree. On a
Right.
daily, probably yes, but I mean, there
Is
is a lot of support there. Absolutely, it was just what I'm saying. Um, I would buy Amazon, but I'm not gonna buy something that's time constrained. See what I mean?
understood. Yeah.
That's the yeah. That's what I mean.
Amazon's my number one holding. Google is now my number two. My number three is Nvidia. My number four might be Tesla. Take a look at Tesla. I've been buying every day.
Good.
It's on the way back up now.
Yeah. Oh, I guess you're right. I mean, it's right at that ceiling floor spot where the old ceiling becomes the new floor. Although, does this cross here bother you at all?
It does bother me.
It's you're looking at all-time high territory.
This is 20 and 50, right?
What?
The cross, is it the 20 and 50?
Yes.
Yeah. I think it has probably one wave down.
Where?
Retest the breakout. You see the breakout there? Um, you see, Steve,
Yeah,
if you draw,
you mean from 420 to 400?
no, the breakout from 350 up.
Oh, for this breakout here.
Yes,
So,
that breakout.
yeah,
It's not impossible to come back and retest it.
understood.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not. It's. I mean, I would say even likely.
I was thinking of buying some puts way out of the money.
I mean, at this point, probably very cheap puts. Just in case, you never
Yeah.
know.
You're right. Just for shits and giggles.
Yeah, something that you throw out $2,000, something, it's okay. It's a risk. Yeah. Now, if the market goes above that threshold I was talking about, you just remove the hedge. Otherwise, at least you're gonna get something back.
Yeah.
So,
Makes sense.
Well, you could just short mags, MAGS,
you could do that as well. Yeah,
because I have all my money in mags. Most.
yeah, absolutely. There is
Sounds like the way the stuff you're listing. You didn't
there
list
is a,
anything. You didn't even list like a Lilly or an IBM in there.
Mags has been the star performer, but anything could happen.
Max. There is an ETF for Max, right?
Yeah, MAGS, if you
I
look.
mean, yeah, that would be the. I mean, if you think Tesla is probably one of the best of those, then hedging with Max, even 1 to 1 would be you will be a winner. If it goes down, Tesla would expect it to go down less. If it goes up, Tesla will go up more.
My biggest holding is Amazon. Amazon and Google are my two biggest.
Yeah. Google run up
I think we lost Kamal.
We might have, yeah.
yeah.
Figures
But
are going.
I'm calling IBM only because it's just still one of my favorites.
You see, Omar, I think you should have stayed long and screw all the little terms.
Huh?
Should have stayed
Yeah.
long.
Should have stayed long.
I'm sorry.
Instead of trying to catch every turn.
This is just the IM. That's my horizon is very short term. On long term, I'm very bullish. I'm
Right.
very
You
bullish.
should have put some long-term calls too.
Yeah, I'm very bullish. I will wait for the time. Yeah, I mean, I will even tell you around December 17th, something like that. I will buy a lot of calls.
You could buy 1 year leaps on the S&P.
I,
You could buy 1 year calls.
yeah, I know, but
Right.
time is very important. A month makes a big difference.
But if your conviction is that by the end of the year it'll be up from to 9,000, then it
Yeah,
pays to do it.
yeah, I will do it, but I will do it, and I will do it when I get.
When you're right about 5 more twists and turns.
When the spirit moves him.
When yes, exactly, when I see it.
So, is there anything else you guys want me to look at?
Well, I think we'll wrap it up with for our thoughts for tomorrow.
Okay. And then I'll stop sharing.
Final thoughts. You want to start? Steve, Spike?
Do I want to start with final thoughts? I'm a little bit optimistic for the next month or so, but I think we're going to get that big hit around late January, early February. That's my guess.
Omar?
I'm a little bit like Steve, but the only difference is the time. I think probably we're gonna get a little hit right after Thanksgiving, and from there we may get something, a little turbulence in January, just like Steve said. But I don't think it's gonna be any concerning at all. I'm very bullish up to February, March, and beyond. Definitely.
I think over the course of next year we run to 8,000.
I agree. Probably even more. I'd expect 35,
And
50%.
therefore, I'm not going to worry about the 3 to 5% corrections. I'm going to keep buying.
Absolutely.
I'm going to keep buying my Tesla, my Nvidia, my SMH, my MHES maybe, and IWM for a little flavoring.
I would do the same thing if I was a long-term trader. Absolutely.
All right, so that's it.
You guys have faith in the small caps.
I'm going IWM.
Okay.
Same.
Adios, amigos, and ciao.
Ciao, guys. Bye. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving.